are around. Yeah, where are they?
And the men dressed as like hedges, or whatever
they're
they
not
are.
here this year.
Oh, that's a shame.
No,
Well,
we've got bees instead of hedges this year.
they're still around somewhere.
Yeah, well, be careful what you say.
I've never been married, obviously.
I wonder whether you'd seen a proper one or not. I don't know anything about it. There's some information on the site.
The national grid, this is.
Yeah, how much it's going to cost to upgrade the grid to go to net zero.
Right.
And it's about the same as it cost World War II. It's something like £30 trillion, or 3 trillion. Seriously. Getting our 1% down to zero.
Wait, she's not going to clean that up?
We should be.
Yes. That happened just a moment ago, actually. I got it on camera as well.
Should be more than that, shouldn't it? But yeah. Tell her it is a green fire.
Yeah. Careful. Oh, you almost did. Oops.
Used to be acceptable years ago.
Oh, careful.
That was the reason why they banned it, wasn't it? Yeah, it's unpleasant.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Just be careful. Oh no! Oh. There you go.
you see, like,
Well, check it whether I've got holes first.
yeah.
Before I attack it. Like you said, getting it on your hands isn't a great thing, is it?
Get some bugger all out of it. Come on. Oh, I haven't got a drench.
No.
I was looking at the weather forecast and
Tomorrow's
thought,
not good. Tomorrow's bad.
yeah, but if you looked on Wednesday, it was saying that today was going to be horrible.
Was it?
Oh yeah, and it's moved to tomorrow.
Yeah. There's a bin right down there. Thanks for doing this.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Try and sort the mess out. So what my actual view is, I'm not saying it's not going to happen, climate change, but you don't have to particularly get net zero. You can also say, look, it's going to happen, and we'll try and mitigate it two ways. Attack it by trying to get the CO2 down, but the other one, we'll try and do things like sea defences. Oh, I'll find you one. It's not open. Is it? Oh, that's a toilet, yeah. Yeah, why is it like that now?
If they're not, it's the irresponsible dog owner who doesn't pick up.
It's not the dog's fault, is it?
Country walk. You sometimes find them hanging the plastic backbags with tree branches.
Yeah, I've seen. Yeah.
I go walking with a friend and she's got a dog, and we shocked at them bags you find.
Yeah.
And the worse though, because they don't degrade.
They don't degrade, no, it's true. No, and then you do find that, I mean, we've got dog bin areas in various recreation areas, so there's no excuse for not being used.
You're the ones who go around plant silver hedges and stuff.
Yeah, so is this. And the ones over there.
Because that other one's coming in. Idiot. Dip film.
Yeah.
Nice. They're all different to be honest. If you look on here, the breakdown of what the
scent is. So you've got
Tobacco.
tobacco,
Ah, yes.
yeah,
Ginger, that one. Lemon. Ah, yes.
like lemongrass. I think it was
Coconuts. Has somebody left that?
Check it, mate, honestly.
Really?
Otherwise, I've got to fill a form in.
Alright then.
Check it.
I'll post it on
I haven't seen
Facebook.
it.
That's yours.
No, it's not mine.
Nice that.
See you later.
You wanna-
right, isn't it?
You could post it on Facebook saying, has anyone left this on a bus? You could always do that, couldn't you? Hey!